tutorial for steering. Beginning drivers, do not do this. If you do this, you will over-rotate. Don't throw the car. Next, when you're making right turns, if your hands are too close together, you're going to do this. Don't do this. So we are looking left and right, which is good. But don't turn fast because you're going over the curb. Don't overturn, because if you overturn, you're going to lose control. Keep going. Also, I'm going to overshoot this turn. So you have to look where you're going. I'm moving forward. I'm going up. Don't, because you will lose control. I'm going to go up again and make another turn. You don't want to slam the brake. You want to be gentle on the brake. Use the ball of your foot. You want to come up and look. And what does a good turn look like? You turn on your right turn signal. You stop at the stop line. Now you inch forward, showing the car.